Today we are working on lesson easy for me to say, Excel lesson 4, using the format painter. Format the invoice section first, so select cells B17 to B20, B17 to B20, and on the home tab of the number group, click dialog box launcher. Here's your dialog box launcher. In the number tab, select number under category. If necessary, change the decimal places to 2. Mine already says 2, but if yours doesn't, change it. Use the 1000 separator, comma, checkbox to turn it on. So check that box right there, and then click OK. On the home tab in the font group, click the arrow next to font, and click Arial. So mark that as answer. Go to the next step. Change the first number to the currency format, then use the format painter to copy the format down to the bottom number. Select cell B17 so that it is the only cell selected, and on the home tab of the number group, click the dialog box launcher. In the number tab, under category, select currency, and then click OK. With cell B17 still selected, on the home tab in the clipboard group, click the format painter once. So click that once. The format painter button, click that, is now highlighted and a marquee appears around. You see the marquee going around B17. Select cell B20. And you can see that it applied the same formatting to that cell. You can see that it's now currency. Notice that the format painter button is turned off and the marquee is no longer showing around B17. Add a border to the bottom number. Select cell B20. And on the home tab in the font group, click the arrow next to borders. Then click top and double bottom border. Top and double bottom border. This one right here. If you click away from it, you can see that it did that. It has a border at the top and double at the bottom. Select cell A3. And on the home tab in the font group, click the arrow next to font. And then Times New Roman. Times New Roman. With A3 still selected on the home tab in the font group, click bold. The format painter can now be set to apply the formatting to multiple sets of cells. On the home tab in the clipboard group, double click format painter. Click on each of the following cells or cell ranges to apply the same formatting. So A5 to A6, C5, A8 to A10, C9 to C10, A12 to A14, C13 to C14, A17 to A20. Now turn off the format painter. On the home tab of the clipboard group, click format painter again to turn it off. So when you click that, you can see that it's no longer on there. Mark as answer. Go to the next one. Increase the font size of 2 cells containing text labels. Select cell A8, A8, and then on the home tab in the font group, click the arrow next to font size and change it to 14. With cell A8 still selected on the Home tab in the clipboard group, click the Format Painter once. So click that once. With click cell A12 to apply the same formatting there. Now change the font for the cells containing data to using the Format Painter. Select cell B3. And then on the Home tab, click the arrow next to Font and click Arial. With cell B3 still selected on the Home tab in the clipboard group, double-click Format Painter. Click on each of the following cells or ranges to apply the same formatting. B5 to B6, D5, B9, bingo, B9, D9, B13, D13. On the Home tab in the clipboard group, click Format Painter again to turn it off. You cannot use the Format Painter from cells containing text to cells containing dates and times. You'll have to format these separately. So select cell B10, change the font to Arial. Use the Format Painter to copy that format to cell B14. So click Format Painter and go to B14, and that changes that. Select cell D10, change the font to Arial. Using the Format Painter to copy that format to cell D14. So Format Painter and D14. Your sheet should now look like the following. It should look like this. And I think all of ours does. So close that. Mark is answered. Submit. Submit results. And you see we got 3 green checks. So this completes using the Format Painter.